How to start a business in a week without quitting your day job. Starting a business may sound exciting, but launching it and making it successful is a big challenge. The level of difficulty rises even more when you are planning to start a new business without quitting your day job. Nevertheless, this should not stop you from acquiring your goal as an entrepreneur. During the initial period, you may need to invest a lot of time. Soon as you begin and start making money, you will get the full hang of it. Here are a few tips to start a business in a week and start making money without quitting your day job. Before we start, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon to never miss important videos about making money. Number 1. Check your employment restrictions. Before you start a new business, make sure that you are not violating any moonlight or non-compete agreements. Even if you are not working on a contract basis. Check with your HR and re-examine your current company's policies to ensure that you will not be dismissed for starting a business. Number 2. Define your goals. Since you are planning for your new business, it is important to evaluate both short-term and long-term goals. When we talk about goals here, we mean that you need to have a clear understanding on whether you want to continue to work for some other organization and keep this business as a part-time project, or you will quit your current job soon after the business launch or develop. A comprehensive idea about it will give you clarity on how much time and money you should or need to invest in your new business. Number 3. Create a strong visual identity. When asking how to start a business without quitting your day job, don't forget to create a strong visual identity for your brand. Visual identities help in promoting products or services. No matter how great is your business idea, when it comes to gaining the attention of the audience, visuals play a vital role. In order to create strong visuals, take care of the following thing like right logo, business card. Number 4. Have a clear picture of your target audience. Being a first-time entrepreneur, you may find everyone are your target audience. However, this is not true. Having a clear understanding of your target audience will help you in saving a lot of time and money in promoting your products or services. In order to define your target audience, few tips like start a group, analyze your competition, and communicating with people can help a lot. Number 5. Create business plan. Just like other newbies, while thinking of how to start a new business, you also may wonder, do I really need a business plan? Or do I really have to invest my time in writing a business plan? Well, the answer is yes. A business plan is basically a document that explains what to do and how to do. It keeps changes as the business grows. Here are some of the reasons why you need a realistic business plan. They are a great way to check the possibility of your business ideas. There are chances that at this point, you may discard your current business ideas and come up with something better. Business plan will help you in attracting investors for your business. Business plan will give a clear picture of the market and industry, thus motivate you and your team to remain determined and focused. With the help of business plan, you will be able to prioritize your work to achieve your business goals. Number 6. Have a marketing plan. It doesn't matter at what stage the business is, in order to maintain a position in the market, every company needs a solid marketing strategy. Before you launch your business, have clarity on how will you promote it. Today's digital world has given us a lot of opportunities to promote our businesses. Promotions like business card, social media, and in-store promotion can help your business a lot. Number 7. Practice time management. Since you will be working for 2 jobs, it is very important to practice time management. Be clear in advance how many hours you are going to give to your new business. During what time of the day will you be handling most of your business work? It would be advisable not to work for your own business during your office hours, using office resources. Chances are you may get fired, if you get caught. Moreover, you may not be able to work on your own project with complete concentration. Use your time outside office to handle your workload when you are at your other job. Number 8. Keep detailed financial records. Everyone starts their own business to earn profits. In order to know the financial status of the business, keeping the details of expenses or investments are very important. The records will help you to stay away from the troubles of tax authorities, maintaining good relationships with clients and vendors. Since in the initial stage you may not afford to have an accountant for your business. Number 9. Be patient. Last, but not the least, be patient. Don't expect to get success overnight. Give yourself and your business an appropriate time. With proper management and dedication, it is certainly your business will be successful. That will be all for today. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.